600 units. Ganito karami ang nasold na house and lot ng developer na ito during the COVID-19 pandemic. And for today's video, I will give you 5 reasons kung bakit nag-trending pa rin ang bentahan at marami pa rin nag-invest sa properties na ito kahit ng buong mundo ay nakaranas ng pandemic or the darkest time of the millennium. Number 5. Super attractive sa mga investors and home seekers ang modern minimalist na mga designs in white and grayish-blue color tone na talaga namang premium ang datingan and napaka-aesthetic. Single detached ang mga units kaya malinis, maaliwalas at straightforward ang disenyo. Choose from 3-bedroom models, Sofia, Antonina, Christina, and Adelaida. Meron din tayong mga 4-bedroom models, Juana, and Ana Clarissa. Para naman sa mga 5-bedroom models, meron tayong Celestina and Davina. Number 4. Hassle-free dahil complete interior finish ang delivery ng bawat home packages. Tiled flooring on ground and second floor, painted interior and exterior walls, cove or drop ceiling design, floor-to-ceiling na din ang tiles ng mga toilet and bath for easy cleaning, plus complete fixtures. Fully functional kitchen cabinets and countertop and built-in cabinets sa lahat ng bedrooms. But wait, there's more! Gate and fence included plus outdoor landscaping. Number 3. Stress-free ang home acquisition dahil naka-all-in ang price. Included na sa package and tax, transfer of title, permit sa construction, and all processing and documentation fees. No hidden charges at si developer na ang bahala sa lahat ng processing. Number 2, their prices are competitive. Starting at 6 million, may 3-bedroom house ka na at 100 square meter lot with all the features mentioned. Makakapag-own ka kahit walang malaking hawak na pera dahil pwedeng installment ang terms through bank home loan programs. Matitirhan at may enjoy mo na ang property while you're paying the amortization. And number 1, modifications before construction is allowed. Yes, kung may gusto kang baguhin sa floor plan layout, color of tiles, material upgrade, at iba pa, yes na yes. Pwedeng-pwede po. You can incorporate your ideas and customize the house according sa taste mo. Ito ang best offer ng developer, that's why nag-stand out talaga sila sa bentahan kahit nung pandemic season. And guess what? Kung nalalayo ka sa Batangas, well, these properties are offered here in Cavite. Meron tayo dito sa Holiday Homes in General Trias, Sugarland Subdivision in Trece Martires, and Sutherland Club's Residential Estates in Nae, Cavite. These are guaranteed flood-free and fast-developing locations na 1 hour away lang to Manila. Don't let another pandemic stops you from owning your dream home. Be one of the satisfied owners of Dimitarland Homes. Message us to inquire, and we will be happy to assist you from site tripping up to turnover. And always remember, owning a home is a journey, and the first step might feel like a leap of faith, but it's the leap that makes all the difference.